Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, there is a great news coming from Infosys. So Infosys has finally sent the online test link and login details for the system engineer and for the operation engineer role. So here you can see your Infosys online test for the system engineer role has been scheduled, and date and time has been given 10 a.m. on Sunday 15th of May 2022, and the test link they have given. So here only the on the InfyTQ platform only the examination will be conducted, and definitely the email and the password. Okay, you must have received the password from the Infosys. So test user ID. So your user ID for taking the test is the same email address on which you have received the email, and one time password they have given. Okay, so here the password will be displayed, and this mail has come today itself, 13th of May 2022, 12:04 p.m. So friends, you might be able to get the test link by tomorrow also. So please do not worry, wait till tomorrow. So if you have been selected for the Infosys test, then you should and must receive the login details. Okay, and here they have also given the test pattern for the system engineer role, and also for the operation executive role. You will be getting the emails now. So what is the online test pattern, that I will tell you. But before that, there is a very important update here. So friends, if you are really serious about the Infosys examination, and if you wanted to crack, then the Infosys cracker course new pattern is definitely going to help you, and I will tell you what are the very important content. If you watch, then you will be definitely able to get selected. See, you have to watch pseudocode, you have to watch Infosys puzzle. So we have covered a lot of videos, okay, on Infosys puzzle. So more than 200 questions will be covered. And then Infosys mock test. So here 33 mock test has been covered. So if you go through this mock test alone, okay, mock test and pseudocode for the coding section, and Infosys puzzles, and previous year we have around 13 videos. If you go through that, then you will be easily able to clear, and all these videos can be watched in only one day. So if you complete this, then nobody can stop you in cracking the examination. The price has been kept as low as possible, just 599 rupees. Please do not ignore it later. Many of you think that if you'll go through the YouTube channel, we will be able to crack the examination. No friends, see, you need to practice as many questions as possible, because 70% cutoff will be there in the each section. So whatever sections you see, so reasoning ability, so 70% cutoff will be there. So you suppose if there is 15 question is there, you need to score 10 marks out of that. Okay, so that is the reason I'm telling you this content link will be given in description. Get it today itself, prepare tomorrow, and then write the examination. So you will be having 5 sections for the system engineer role. Reasoning ability test, so you'll be having 15 question 25 minutes. Section 2, you will be having mathematical ability test, 10 question 35 minutes. Okay, verbal ability test, 20 question 20 minutes. Pseudocode, 5 question 10 minutes. Puzzle solving, 4 question 10 minutes. So total test duration will be 10 minutes, 100 minutes. Okay, and I also wanted to tell you friends, there is no pattern change for the Infosys exam. The pattern remains same, and you would have seen here, so the pattern remains same, so there is no change in the pattern. Okay, and the examination is going to held on the InfyTQ pattern, and 100 minutes exam will be there. So you can go through the complete email ID, complete mail, and if you have not yet received the day exam date link, then please wait till tomorrow. And those who have filled the form and they were not selected for the exam, okay, they did not get any exam update mail, then you need to wait, fill it next time. Okay, now nothing can be done. If you'll send a mail to Infosys, they will tell your profile was not selected. Okay, your application was not selected. So this email has come today, 13th of May, and 12, basically afternoon 12. Okay, so here we have the test link and the login details for the system engineer. And one more thing which I wanted to tell you, so system engineer and, okay, system engineer and operation executive, the only difference is the section 4. So for the operation executive role, you will not be getting the pseudocode. Okay, for the operation executive role, you will not be getting the pseudocode. Okay, so 5 question 10 minutes pseudocode, it won't be there for the operation executive role. And system engineer role, you will be getting a package of 3.6 LPA. So I hope this mail, this information, this updates finds you useful. Okay, so you find it useful, and also if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you do not miss anything, and get this material today itself, and make sure that you crack Infosys exam and you do not regret it later. So pseudocode, puzzles, and mock test. Okay, so these three things if you cover, then it is more than sufficient to cracking the examination, because 70% is the cutoff. Thank you, and all the very best for your Infosys examination. We will be also coming up with some videos by tomorrow so that you perform well in your exam and you definitely get selected for the Infosys examination. Thanks.